Yo guys, what is up? So this is the first vlog test with the Nikon C50 and I'm just on my way from the Nikon office back to home, but stopping over in a place and then I'm going back home. But I'm going to be vlogging this entire thing on the Nikon Z50. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Let's get started with an amazing day. Okay, so I'm exited the Energy metro station, and if you guys actually see where I am going to the brand new IKEA home furnishings, which is launched in Jebal just 2 days ago. So I'm really excited for this because I've always been a big fan of IKEA ever since I was a kid. Loved their amazing marketing, which they always used to do. So I'm gonna go and show you guys around the new IKEA. I've seen some pictures which are really beautiful, and it's also bigger than the old IKEA in DFC. So yep, super duper excited. So it's actually just going to be like a 5-minute walk if you're coming from Energy metro station, and it's not even that hot now, so you can still manage it, not a problem. So a really cool side note, or whatever you want to call this, is how Dubai Festival City comprised of different like IKEA, Ace Hardware, and Festival City Mall, and etc. This is also called Dubai Festival Plaza, which again consists of IKEA, Ace Hardware, and some of the different shops. So we'll also be going checking that out. But just from the huge perspective from here, this is so huge. This IKEA is really huge. Let's go, man. Let's go. So there's actually a Ace Hardware there, and apart from that there are different shops over here as well, and it's almost like a mini mall only. There is Zatar we said there is Tim Hortons there, and of course IKEA, which is here. There is also Mumuso here, as well as Borders. So this is unlike any other IKEA, but it's pretty good. And let's enter. Okay, so this is the entrance of the brand new IKEA, and let's go and check out what's on top. Before that, there's food over there, so let's go there. So even though the entrance was there, behind all the exit and all the billing and payments are here, and there's like a really cool area for eating, etc. over here. So it is really good. It is like the previous IKEA, but of course way bigger. So I'm really hungry, so let's pick up something to eat. So this house or this setup is basically amazing. I want this kind of a setup in my living room. Completely black and blue and dark colored with this amazing lamps, which is just beautiful. And one more thing. Hi. Okay, so as I said, I'm vlogging with the Nikon Z50, and had an amazing muffin, chocolate chip muffin, as well as Coke with free refill, unlimited. So that was good. And of course, amazing backpacks and everything, which is just beautiful. So this is like a bathroom kind of thing. Hey, yeah, what's up? Okay, and this is the study room, you can say, with a small kitchen over here as well as a living room kind of. No Wi-Fi. Okay, moving on, we have come to this living room seating section where amazing sofas. Of course, if you guys have been to IKEA before, you would have seen all this, but it is just amazing and beautiful. Okay, and apart from that, there is literally no crowd because it was just opened 2 days back, I think, from the day I'm shooting it. Yeah, 2 days back. And the layout is completely different. I have literally by-hearted the DFC IKEA layout because I've gone there so many times. And yeah, these are all the sofa and cushions, etc., which is really nice and amazing. This side we have chairs and stools, which are at an amazing price. And if you guys know IKEA, they keep different room layouts like this to basically see how it will fit in your room, etc., which is good. And I think the prices are really low because it's just been the first week since it's opened, not even the first week, and after that they have like some heavy discount in this week, and after that it'll be coming to the normal prices. So if you guys want, come out to IKEA and check out all these amazing and cool products. Some of these products have not even seen in the other IKEA, but this has been really good. So when you come a bit forward from all that, you can actually see the main view through where I showed the outside of IKEA. Just a second, you guys can't barely see anything, but yeah, that is the main view, and this is the entrance to the mall, and that's pretty cool. There's plenty amount of parking here, so that is also really good. Now for those of you guys asking why am I showing all this, well, because it is just day 2 of the IKEA opening and just wanted to give a glimpse of the new IKEA. It's apparently way bigger, and with bigger comes better choices as well. So yep, it is just beautiful, this IKEA. Wow. I love this ring mirror, like this light mirror, because it is just amazing. It gives so much accuracy as well. And that is a sample of a bathroom. That's amazing. Like, this place is literally so beautiful. So basically now I'm in the children's area, and this is basically all the children's beds and also normal adult beds, and it is pretty spacious. And really, just look at this. We've got like mini pods that side for people to come and test and sleep. Not over here, but yeah, generally. And you have normal bunk beds and all type of other beds, etc. here, which is really small and which is amazing, literally amazing. That's why I'm a huge fan of IKEA products. So this is the children's section basically. So let's enter and see what is there. Mini play areas, and wow, this room is so good. Wow, this is really beautiful. Like, building a place like this would take a lot of time, just because you need to think it like a house and design everything really carefully. So hats off to IKEA, because this is really beautiful. So as soon as you exit the children's area, you have like a mini cafeteria here. And is that it? I don't think so. There's a self-service furniture area and checkouts. Okay, so that's it. So this IKEA is way smaller than I thought, but it is good. Oh, okay, there are actually many more things down. Oops. Yeah, so let's go and check that out. And these are some amazing and cool stairs, which are completely wooden. And it's like a chillax zone basically, so you can come and chill whenever you want here. Or you can also, if your wife is shopping, your husband can come and sit over here and chill. So that is pretty good. And this is the same place where we came in the beginning, all the checkouts. Let's check out this area though first. So this is the first plant section and also wooden furniture section. They've got some fake plants as well as some real plants and pots and everything. My mom is literally gonna go crazy about this area because it is so beautiful. Even I love plants, but I was just not planning on buying anything. Lucky bamboo and so many things. Wow. This is like a plant heaven right here. That is so beautiful. Just imagine this is the bed and the top view is this. This is beautiful. Like literally beautiful. Got some amazing plant collections here for really good and cheap prices. We've got some gift items and candles, etc. Candle holders as well. Wow. I'm not sure where the electrical items are because I'm looking for something. Let me check whether I can pick it up. These are gift and frames. So let's see. This is nice. So I definitely came from the wrong side because I don't know, there must have been some staircase right after the thing, but yeah, we're currently in the lighting section. This place is ever beautiful. Like, just look at this. It literally looks like a studio now, man. Literally. Got some nice lamps over here. They have a variety of lamps. We have about 5 to 10 IKEA lamps itself in our house. And except for furniture, many things are from IKEA. Many things, especially things like lamps and other racks and shelves, etc. So good. Okay, finally we're going to the electrical session. Finally. Man, just look at these things and then you'll go mad. So that is basically electrical battery charger wall. It's an electrical wall battery charger. That is so cool. Like, wow. And then you've got some other stuff. I have this lamp at home. Always take it. Got some cables, etc. here. Got lamps. But let's just check this out. You've got some amazing designs here. This is what? Amazing. It's beautiful. I've got a 15-inch MacBook Pro here. Of course, fake dummy piece. I want to live in a house like this, literally. It's beautiful. These are some electrical items, cable management, etc. Let's walk like this. Damn, so I was just checking this out and look at this work desk. It's like an iMac and it's got cool LED lights below. But that is so cool, man, so cool. So they've got some really cool bags and items, everything over here, and really new as well. New and innovative bags. It's completely different from what you would see in a regular IKEA. Because for generally storing all my audio cables, etc., I have this red color pouch, which they have like a different model over here for a different price, and it's bigger as well. But I don't want to buy that now. Maybe I'll come one day with my mom or somebody or with my friends, and I'll buy it. But anyways, now I'll just head out because I have to go to university, and also my battery is dying. So yeah, let's just go fast. So if you would ask me how was my overall IKEA experience, I would say it was pretty good. It was amazing. I love this new IKEA. It is a bit far. It is in Jebal from where I stay. It's about 35-40 kilometers. But it is really good. Very nice designs they have. So maybe next year when I'm like doing the office renovation, of mine, or like my home studio's renovation, I might come here and get myself all my stuff. It's pretty good. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm back home, and after a 1.5 hour long bus drive, I took the wrong bus but still reached my destination. It's currently 5:30. Yeah, it's currently 5:10. So just freshen up, charge my cameras, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.